Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Carrot cake breaks all the rules and somehow ends up perfect. Carrots bring moisture, natural sugars, and earthy aromatics. As they cook, their starches soften and their sugars caramelize, adding sweetness without making the cake dense. They're basically built-in moisture regulators. Carrot cake is usually oil-based, not butter-based. Oil stays liquid at room temperature, so the crumb stays soft for days. And because the batter is looser, it suspends mix-ins like nuts or raisins without sinking. Warm spices like cinnamon and nutmeg amplify the carrot's natural sweetness. And cream cheese frosting adds acidity, which cuts through the richness and balances the sugar. It's contrast, sweet, tangy, earthy, that makes the cake feel complete. Carrot cake works because every ingredient supports the others. A dessert built on chemistry and contrast. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.